Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I was gifted with this 8-cavity stainless steel baking pan. And what's nice about it is I'm going to make cornbread today and have it with my lunch. But the nice thing about it, you can make individual loaves. It is stainless steel. I just washed it out and it's ready to go and be sprayed. But you can make these individual loaves. You can make any kind of bread you want. You can make mini cakes. I like to make them up and put them in the freezer or take them to my friends. I have a lot of friends who can't get out, so I like to take them a little treat. And these are just wonderful. Again, you can take your little loaves, freeze them, put them in your purse for lunch, put them in your child's lunch box. So we're going to get baking and I'll show you what they look like. My mini loaves of cornbread are done, and look how cute these are. And I can serve them individually. I can freeze them. I can take them a loaf to my neighbor for lunch. I highly recommend these mini loaf pans for individuals. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.